The question says, determine the pH of a solution of H2SO4 whose concentration is 0.001 molarity. Now, I want you to remember that pH plus pOH gives us 14. This is the first thing I want you to remember. That pH plus pOH gives us 14. Now, we are given the solution H2SO4. Now, let's make an analysis of this H2SO4. Now, of course, it takes what? Hydrogen ion plus SO4, 2 minus, to give us H2SO4. Now, of course, you see we're having two atoms of hydrogen here, so this has to be balanced too. All right. So the molarity of hydrogen ion here is 2. So it means that H plus is going to be equal to 2 times 0.001, because we are taught that the solution is 0.001 molarity. So H plus is going to be equal to what? 2 times this is going to give us 0.002. All right. Now, I want you to recall that what? Your pH is equal to minus log H plus base 10. All right. Your pH is what? Minus log H plus base 10. So we have to find our pH here. So our pH is going to be equal to minus log what? 0.002, which is our H plus here, base 10. Now this is going to give us a value of 2.699. All right. Now we have to get our pH, not our pH. So coming back here, what will be our pH from here? Our pH is going to be equal to, take this to this side, 14 minus what? pH. All right, so let's continue from here. So our pOH is going to be equal to what? 14 minus what? 2.699. Take 2 from 14, you have 12. If you take 0.699 from this, is going to be approximately 11.3, which is our answer. So our correct answer is option A, 11.3. Now let's solve another question on this. All right, the question says, which of the following will dissolve in water to give a solution with a pH greater than 7? Now, let me bring you a reminder of the pH scale. The pH scale, that if we have this, our pH scale, and this is 7, this is 0, this is 14. Now, this point is where the solution is neutral. All right. This point is where it is acidic, and then this is where it is what? Alkaline. But the thing is, as you go like this, you have an increasing acidity. The acidity of the solution increases as you go left, all right, from here down left. But as you move right, all right, you have an increasing alkalinity, all right, increasing alkalinity, all right, increasing alkalinity. So take note of that. So they said, which of the following will dissolve in water to give a solution with a pH greater than 7? Now, sodium chloride, of course, when this is dissolved in water, this will give us a neutral solution. When this is dissolved, also will give us a neutral solution. This will give us an acidic solution, while this will give us an alkaline solution. And it's only an alkaline solution that has a pH greater than 7. So our answer is simply option B, Na2CO3. Now the next question it says, what is the color of phenolphthalein in an acidic solution? What is phenolphthalein? Of course, phenolphthalein is one of the indicators, all right, that we use. Now, phenolphthalein in an acidic solution is colorless, all right? But in a neutral solution, it is pink, all right, while in an alkaline solution it is red. But the correct answer is colorless. Now let's look at more questions on this. Now the question says, a solid that absorbs water from the atmosphere and forms an aqueous solution is simply deliquescent. All right, when a substance is exposed to the atmosphere and it absorbs water, all right, to form an aqueous solution, that substance is said to be deliquescent. Now you can see other options. Let me just give now hygroscopic. All right, when a substance is hygroscopic, it means that what? When it is exposed to the atmosphere, it becomes wet and sticky. That is for hygroscopic. All right. For efflorescent, when the substance is exposed to the atmosphere, it loses its water of crystallization. It is said to be efflorescent. Now, let's leave the other one. Now, let's move to the next question. It says, which of the following pairs are both substances deliquescent? Now, the answer is simply what? Option C. That is calcium chloride and sodium hydroxide are said to be deliquescent. All right. Now, you can see this is an example of an efflorescent what substance, because that's M MgSO4 7H2 is an example of an efflorescent substance, because you can see it's water of crystallization. So when it's exposed to the atmosphere, it will what? Give out what? It's water of crystallization. So this is that for acids, bases, and salts. This is what we have for acid, base, and salt. Now, do not forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time we upload a video, you get notified. Thank you.